By 2045, one of the first things visitors noticed in new homes was what was missing. No outlets, no chargers, no extension cords. The room looked unfinished, but every device was already powered. For more than a century, power was trapped in fixed points. Homes were designed around outlets, breaker loads, extension cords, and renovation limits. Adding an outlet often meant opening a wall. The breakthrough was not electricity moving freely through the air. It was the wall itself. Floors, ceilings, and panels contained conductive mesh, sensor layers, and thousands of resonant transmitters. Once power became software-defined, rooms stopped being fixed. A kitchen island, desk, heater, display wall, or medical device could be moved and reauthorized without rewiring the house. The system made homes safer, cleaner, and easier to change, but it also changed what electricity meant. By 2045, power was no longer something a device simply took. It was something the house allowed.